These days, there has been a huge focus on drop in replacement of human software developers with AI software engineers or developers. You might have heard of Devin, who is being touted as an AI powered replacement of any sort of human software engineer. I also covered Devin yesterday, and I also covered there is an open source alternate GPT pilot which can also do many things which Devin can do, such as generating code from simple human natural language. Design2Code, which you can see on your screen, is a new paper that is a benchmark consisting of diverse real world web pages as test examples. These researchers have developed comprehensive automatic matrices and conduct a series of human evaluations to compare various multimodal code LLMs, showing that the fine-tuned open source models can match prompting Gemini Provision but still lag behind GPT-4v. Moreover, human annotators find 49% of the GPT-4v generations to be good enough to replace the original references, while 64% are judged as even better designed than the original reference. I believe that Design2Code can serve as a useful benchmark to power many future research directions, especially around prompting techniques for multimodal LLMs or training these multimodal LLMs when it comes to real world web pages. This paper is quite interesting in a sense that this is a new approach to automate front end web development through the design to code task using multimodal LLMs to transform visual website designs into functional code. This research shows that models like GPT-4v can effectively generate web pages that match or even surpass the original designs in visual appeal and functionality. It highlights the potential of LLMs to democratize web development and streamline the design to code process. Recent advancements in ge- generative AI, particularly in understanding multiple modes of information and generating codes, have set the stage for a revolutionary approach to front end development. This approach entails using LLMs capable of transforming visual design into actual code. So you just give any web page to the LLM, just like you can see on your screen, and LLM is going to generate the code from it. This benchmark, which comprised of 484 varied real-world web pages designed for testing and introduces a series of automated evaluation metrics. These metrics are designed to determine the accuracy with which current Gen AI models can produce code that, when rendered, faithfully replicates the original web pages based on their screenshots. Alongside automated assessments, they have also carried out detailed human evaluations. This research is quite interesting because, for example, if you look at this diagram, implementing visual designs of website into functional code is a challenging task as it requires understanding visual elements and their layouts and then translating them into structured code. Such dependencies on sophisticated skills have prevented many lay people from building their own web applications even when they have concrete ideas for what to build or design. Furthermore, the requirements for domain expertise complicates the whole web page production pipeline, requiring collaboration among people with different skill set and potentially causing discrepancies between the intended design and also actual implementation in the real world. Effective automatic generation of functional code from visual designs has the potential to democratize the development of front-end application. And these are all examples from the prior website dataset, which is the first row primarily, and then their new design to code benchmark, the last two rows, as you can see here. So design to code has generated the code from the top websites. There are a lot of things which are happening in this that, for example, to get a sense of range of domains covered in their benchmark, They have randomly sampled 25% examples from the benchmark and manually annotated what type of web pages they are based on their functions. They present this pie chart of most frequent domains. The most prominent genres are website of companies or organizations, personal blogs, including technical blogs, and personal home pages. Other genres include information sharing sites such as Wikipedia, FAQ, text policy, online dictionaries, online forms, news articles, and product description pages. Now, they have also used quite interesting prompting techniques as you can see on your screen. But so here it is a very simple prompting, but it covers a lot of things, which it is telling to be a web developer who specializes in HTML and CSS, and then few other things. So the crux of the matter is that this is going to be the future where LLMs will be used to simply they will be given a screenshot and they are going to generate the code from it. We still don't have any working model which is like of very high quality despite of the hype around Devin. Then if there is any model which can do a decent task there, they are very expensive because more often than not they work on the API of GPT-4. So that's it, guys. Let me know your thoughts on it. I will drop the link to this paper in video's description. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps. Thanks for watching.